All right, so here with the captain of Jamaica College, the winning team today, Xavier Davidson. First of all, congrats on the win. How do you feel about your team performance today?
Well, I felt in the first half we could have done a little better, and to the last part of the game we kind of dropped the control, the quality that we have, and I think we never controlled the game enough in the last part, but we're thankful for the victory, so that's the most important thing.
All right, talk to me about your personal performance. What do you think that you offered your team today?
Well, I tried to play simple and give my teammate instructions and just have a bit of composure at the back. So that composure that I bring to the team, it contribute to my other teammates, and they also have composure and to do the job.
One thing that stood out to us here at this side of Sports TV, whenever we watch Jamaica College, the partnership between yourself and your partner in crime, Romy and Blake, figuratively speaking, of course. How do you feel about that partnership? Talk me through it.
Well, Romy is our brother, from Pepsi days we're playing, so that's the kind of chemistry that we have and the love for each other and the brotherhood that we have. So that just comes off onto the pitch and just enjoy the game while we're playing.
All right. What were the coach's instructions coming into this game? I know the mentality of Jamaica College is always a must-win. Yeah. What did the coach say? What were the instructions tactically, and even for the mental side of the game?
Well, obviously the most important thing to win, but with the quality that he thinks we have and believes in us, he expects us to control the game. So that's what we did today. Even though I think we could have done a little bit better at the last part. So that's it.
All right. On Jamaica College's chances going forward. Obviously, you'd say it's safe to say, not even safe to say, Jamaica College qualified for the next round. You guys will be in the semi-finals. You guys are used to this part of the competition. Is there a sense of complacency? Are you guys still hunting down the championship?
Yeah, definitely. The championship is what we came here for. Even after the first round, he said that the competition is just starting. In the second round. So we're coming to win the title, and we're still focused on everything.
All right. A lot of people are not favouring you guys. In fact, Kingston College are overwhelming favourites to win the Manning Cup. Do you feel like a lot of people are sleeping on Jamaica College? And what do you have to say to them if you do believe that?
Well, it really doesn't matter, because the most important thing is what we do on the pitch, and that's what we're going to do. We're not really listening to the outside noise, so just going to focus on what we do on and off the pitch, and then we're going to come out champions.
All right. Well played, Xavier. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.